What's up everyone, welcome to question 7 November 2020 grade 11 maths paper 1. We are given an exponent function here, and then this question is divided into 7.1 and 7.2. so let's have a look at this one. It says that g of x is a half to the power of x minus 4. The first question says write down the equation of asymptotes of g. Equation of asymptotes, we know that this will be the line of asymptotes, is going to be y is equal to -4. That's the line of asymptote. Then it says then write down the range of g. The range of g is anything that is going to be above the line of asymptotes. All right, so therefore simple, straightforward. When it comes to exponent, anything that is above the line of asymptotes should be the range. So anything that is greater than -4, because remember the line of asymptotes is the line that the function would not touch. Okay, so therefore 7.1.3, it says that determine the coordinates of x and y intercept. Okay, now we're gonna start doing some writing. X and y intercept, we get x inter when y is equals to 0. Okay, so now we get it when y is equals to 0. So on our function y is 0, we're going to have half to the power of x minus 4. Now we're going to take 4 to the other side. It's going to give us 4 is equals to 1/2 to the power of x. Why I keep writing 2 there? Okay, 4 can be simplified to 2 to the power of 2, and then this half can be 2 to the power of -1. -1 times x is going to be -x. Therefore, according to the exponent rule, the bases are equal, therefore the exponents should be equal as well. So you're going to have minus x is equals to 2 rather, not negative, is to the power of 2. Okay, is equals to 2. So therefore divide everything by -1. So therefore x is equals to 2. Right, great stuff. So that's our x intercept. Therefore y intercept, you get it when x is equals to 0. Okay, we're gonna come here, g of x when x is equals to 0, we have got half to the power of 0 minus 4. So anything to the power of 0 is equals to 1 minus 4. Therefore g at x is equals to 0 is going to give us -3. Okay, great stuff. So now that's your x and your y intercept. So there's now 7.1.4 said, hence write down the values of x for which g of x is less than 0. Okay, let's come here and have a look at this one. 7.1.4, it says then for g of x where it's less than 0. So therefore this would be any values. Okay, I made a mistake here. Thank you very much Nolu Tando, for let me see that here we divided by -1, so therefore we should have a -2 there. So now our x values for which the graph is less than 0 is going to give us x is when x is greater than -2. All right, and that's how you would deal with a question like this one. All right, moving right along to 7.2. 7.2 says draw a neat sketch of a graph of h of x for which, okay, this is the graph of h of x for which, okay, this is an exponent. We know that q is the line of asymptotes. Okay, so I'm gonna come here, a neat graph. Yeah, I know about my lines, guys, please don't mention. This is y, therefore this is x, and then for a is what is anything greater than 1. This is the line of asymptotes, which is q, so they said anything greater than 1. There you go. Therefore our b is greater than 0 but is equal to 1, and then therefore a it's -1. all right, so therefore what we can see here, we can see that our curve is just going to be something like that. Okay, So please guys, what you can do here, I know what you're thinking, oh, how did I know that the curve is going to be like that? What you can do in order for you to see this as your graph, what you can do, they said A is negative, so what you can do to find the points on this one, you can come here and say negative B. So I said B can be any number, then we know that Q, you can say plus 1 here. So B, you can put any number that is less than 1 but greater than negative 1. So you can just choose any number. Let's say, for example, you can choose a half. So if you put a half here, it should give you 1 point. So therefore, with that point, having the x and the y intercept, you choose that 1 point, and then you can be able to get an idea, because here there are no values, just to get an idea how it would looks like. Okay, so I know that I didn't explain it here, but I'm explaining it now, guys, to say, okay, no, just choose, maybe choose B is equals to 0.5, and then go again and choose B is equals to 0, and then choose B is equals to negative 0.5. Okay, said anything that is greater than 0, greater than 0, this is less than 0, so it won't work, this one. Okay, so but basically, I think you are getting an idea. Maybe you choose 0.8 or 0.9, yes. Or what you can do, you can make a table for yourself and then put this and choose the values, and then you should be able to get an idea of how this graph will look like when B changes. A will remain as a negative, therefore you have got here a line of asymptotes and all that. All right, good stuff. So that's how this curve will look like. I am Gaston Mapala. Let's make sure that I see you on the next upload, where we will be doing question 8 of November 2022 and 2024 grade 11 maths paper 1.